Hi, Mark Mullican, Slidell, Louisiana. We're here in Quin, Illinois, Red Power Roundup 2021. And feature today, we got our W.F. Hebard A14B shop mule aircraft tug. That was a save out of a scrap yard. A year and a half ago, there was one big solid piece of rust, not running, in pieces. Took a lot of doings to get her where she is today. Come to find out, I mean, this machine underneath decals, first it was, we believe, for the military, went up for auction, ended up with T. Smith & Son in New Orleans, which is a T. Smith & Son stevedoring on the Mississippi River, unloading ships, railroad cars, stuff like that, and then went up for auction again, or was sold to McKinley Cantrell & Son, the float builders in New Orleans, for the Mardi Gras floats, and they pulled Mardi Gras floats with them. And then I peeled the McKinley Cantrell & Son decal off the top and saw T. Smith, and that's my interest, got real interested in it, because I work for this company. And a lot of the old timers at the company, when they saw pictures of it, they were excited about it. The engine on the machine is an H4 it's an H engine off an H4 power unit, 1947. It took a little bit of doings to get it running. Freed up cylinders, hot mag, clean carburetor. Had to get a starter built, because getting one for an H4 power unit is pretty difficult off the shelves nowadays. Put a hot battery to it and cranked her up. You know, she's a 3-speed. The engine and transmission, the transmission and rear end is all one molded piece together, forged together. It's a 3-speed with reverse. The gear ratio on this thing, she's got some serious torque. In first and second, you hit third and it takes off like a rocket. Took a lot of doings with the hubs. Those aren't the original hubs. I had to make those out of some old brake rotors. Shaved the rotor off of it. Made rim adapters to fit a 600 by 9 forklift inflatable tire. Rims were made, had to have the rims made on the back. Those were made by M.E. Miller in Ohio. It's came a long way. It's come a long way. It runs good, runs like a clock. It was butchered up when we got it, but here she is. She runs perfect. It's not yet complete yet. We still haven't painted the engine and the under the chassis. That's going to get done here in the near future. We just wanted to share this with Harvester Heritage, and prime example of a excellent piece of machinery that was in a scrap yard and saved.